Hey there, costume enthusiasts. Get ready to transform into the legendary creature of folklore with the Mothman costume, perfect for both Halloween and Christmas festivities. This eye-catching cosplay features a hooded cape that captures the mysterious allure of the mythical Mothman, designed to suit both women and men who want to make a bold statement. Crafted with attention to detail, the cape offers a comfortable fit while ensuring you stand out at any event. Whether you're attending a themed party or just want to embrace the enigmatic charm of Mothman, this costume is your ticket to becoming the talk of the town. The design is versatile, allowing you to pair it with your favorite outfit or keep it simple for a more authentic look. So, if you're ready to channel your inner cryptid and leave a lasting impression, this Mothman costume is your ultimate go-to for a night of mystery and fun. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.